Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, I'm Ghina. Here, I want to explain about macronutrients. Macronutrients are nutrients that the body uses in relatively large amounts and therefore need to be received every day. Macronutrients are divided into three: protein, carbohydrates, and fat. Our bodies also need macronutrients in smaller amounts than macronutrients. Macronutrients provide calories and the building blocks of cell growth, immune function, and overall repair of the body. As I mentioned earlier, macronutrients have three parts, namely carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Each of them has a different role and function for the body. The first is carbohydrate. Carbohydrates are the body's preferred source of very fast convert carbohydrates into energy for the body, then convert or protein into energy. Carbohydrates are very important for the brain, muscles, and cell function. Carbohydrates are divided into complex and simple carbohydrates. Complex carbohydrates are made up of long chains of sugar units that take longer to be broken down and used by the body. Sources of complex carbohydrates are found in peas, beans, whole grains, bread and cereal, rice, and others. The second carbohydrate is simple carbohydrate, consisting of one or two sugar units and can be broken down fairly quickly in the body. Sources of simple carbohydrates are sugar, honey, maple syrup and others, fruit juice, candies, sweet teas, and others. 2. Second is protein. Protein provides the body with amino acids, which are the building blocks for muscles and other important structures such as the brain, nervous system, blood, skin, and hair. It also transports oxygen and other essential nutrients. Proteins are divided into two, namely complete proteins and incomplete proteins. Complete proteins provide all the amino acids your body needs in the right amount. Complete protein sources are found in meat, poultry, seafood, eggs, and milk, and others. Second protein is an incomplete protein that provides only some, but not all, of the amino acids you need. Most plant proteins are incomplete proteins. However, when taken together as a complementary protein, you can get all the amino acids your body needs. Incomplete sources of proteins are found in nuts and seeds. 3. The third is fat. Dietary fat plays an important role in the body. Fat provides an important source of energy in times of starvation or lack of calories. It is also necessary for isolation, proper cell function, and protection of our vital organs. Fat is divided into two. There are saturated fat and unsaturated fat. Saturated fats come mostly from meat and dairy sources. Sources of saturated fat are found in butter, lard, fatty meats, cheese, and others. The second fat is unsaturated fat. Unsaturated fat is also divided into two. There are monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. Sources of unsaturated fats are found in nuts, seeds, vegetable oils such as olive oil, fatty seafood such as salmon and tuna, and others. That's some information that you can know. Sorry if there is a lack of word and note, and thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.